welcome back. Today let us talk something about practical session on Sujok therapy. Okay, Sujok, they use your palms. Okay, so here I am going to show you my palms and I am going to explain you. Please carefully watch what are the things I am explaining you. Later that you think. First, you don't put your mind to think or interpret differently. You just follow as what I say. Then after that, you can refer to some YouTube videos or some other books or something like that, and then you can finally decide. So, since it's in the camera effect, it might be seeing right to left or left to right. So please cooperate with me, and you can follow my voice. According to that, you follow that one. So this center two, we call it as legs in Sujok. Okay. So here for me, this inner part is called yin, and this outer part is called yang. Okay. So we are going to now discuss first with the yin, then you will see. So this finger and this finger are hands of our body. So these two, center two are legs of our body, and this is our head. Okay. So from there it comes to your throat region. From there it will come to lungs, left lung or right lung. So here in the center part you will be having your small intestine. Around this it will be your large intestine. Okay. So this is your sexual organ, and this is your anal point. So now let us discuss what are the things, some defects which will come, so that you can rectify by simple giving a pressure method. See, suppose you are having some headache, and I told this part is your thumb is an head part. So here comes your eyes and nose, ears, everything is there, small tiny parts. So whenever you are having any problem, you don't need to think accurate point and other things. You just put some of the, suppose this is your left hand and this is my right hand. You can just press, suppose you are having headache. So top of the head you can put some pressure here, and side also on the temple region you can put same, and also you can press like this. So if you keep on pressing like this for some 5 minutes or like that, with the concentration that it is your head part, the headache will go off within 5 minutes. So similarly, you are having some throat problem, then you can just massage. You can give circular rotations and anti-circular rotations. So circular rotation will aggravate, it will increase your energy, and anti-circular it will give reduce your energy, it will remove from there. Similarly, suppose you are having some problem with your hand, so you can give pressure on hand region. So if you keep on pressing, you will find a pain at a particular point. Suppose you are having some pain in your right hand or left hand. So I am taking this as my right hand now. If I put some pressure and see, check, it will be showing me at one particular point there is a shooting pain. So that is the problem area. You can correspondingly find in your same part in your hand also that you are having problem. Same thing, if you are having some knee problem and other things, you can put it here and you can check it. So this part is your foot region, foot part. So if you are having any on the toes or something, you are having problem, you can press here and you can check it. So similarly these, suppose you are having some spinal cord problem and other things, you turn your hand, so in between your legs, from there it will go as a spinal cord. So if you give pressure points on within this area, at one point of place you will be finding shooting pain. So that area is problematic area. You can give pressure, you can give circular motion, you can give anti-circular motion, and you can get relief on your lumbar region or something. Nowadays they are having L1, L2 and more disc problems, so they can easily solve this one. But this won't give in one day it won't get solved. You have to regularly give pressure to your hands. Similarly, you are having some digestion problem. Say that you are having people who are having problem in their intestines, they can just give a circular motion on this one, and suppose you are having some loose motion problem, you have to go anti-clockwise, that is your opposite region from this place to this place. And if you are having some motion problem which is not coming, then you have to give opposite direction. So by this way you can control your large intestine. Similarly, if you are having some problem in your small intestine, at the center of the point you can give. There also the pressure and circular motion, and you can solve. So here this part you can see your lungs, and here your liver part is there. So people who are having some liver problem, they can give pressure on this point, and they can give. The simple way for other things also, they can clap your hands. By clapping your hands, all the organs getting activated. Similarly, you can tap all these parts and like this. So this is the just an introduction part. So those who are having some problems, you can try with this one. Minor problems only. This is not a medical solution. It is just a relief. So those who are having many major problems and other things, you have to consult a doctor. Don't follow this blindly. This only will help you like an additional exercise. Like you are going for physiotherapy or something when you are having some problems as prescribed by your doctor. Same thing only here also. Whatever the problem is there, you can go to the, you have to take a medical action. This will assist you to cooperate and do it at very faster pace. That is the only thing we are going to do this. So again and again I am telling, this is not a medicine or medical therapy. Please follow that one. I hope this will be very useful for you. You can have some more videos on the same thing where I will be going in depth for certain problems. So different problems, we can have different people have different ailments. So according to that, we will discuss one by one. Thank you. See you in the next one.